So now let's work around with add-ons inside of Google Sheets. So over here, you can see that I have a Google Sheet opened up. And if I want to increase the functionality of my sheet, then I can go around onto add-on right here. And then I can go to get add-ons right here, just like this. So once I do that, you can see that the add-on page that is Google Workspace Marketplace opens up. And let's say I want an add-on for table formatting. So I'm just going to go around and type in table right here. So let's see what I have. So I got table styles right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and then install this out right here on my Google Sheet. So it opens up the new tab, as you can see, and then I'll have to give it permission because this is an external application. So there you go. It says in add-on, I can access my application. So if I were to go around over here and if I were to go to add-on, you can see that there's the table style. So I can go around, apply the table style right here, and then it'll apply different table styles. So it has opened up the dialog box over here on the right, and you can see that I can choose different table styles as I wish. If I were to click right here, apply to selection, then what happens is that is applied over there, as you can see. If I were to go around over here and then if I were to go to apply to selection, then that is applied as well. And that is how add-ons work. So you can add an extra functionality onto your Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.